Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about mass irregularity. Okay, so let us discuss. Firstly, we should know that what is mass irregularity. See, when you start for the analysis of structures, so there are different types of provision. You have to check that your structure is safe or not. So in that we generally check for the soft story. Okay, so mass irregularity generally come in soft story. So let us discuss that what is mass irregularity, and if your structures that consist of mass irregularity, so in that case what is the provision and what code says about that. Okay, and what you have to consider while analysis. So let us see what is mass irregularity. Okay, suppose this is your structures, and this is your structures, and suppose this is your second floor and this is your first floor. So in case this floor seismic weight, okay, this floor seismic weight is 150 kg. I'm just taking the example only. And this floor seismic weight is seismic weight is 100 kg. Okay, so we say that this floor is generally a mass irregularity, means this floor will be considered as what, soft story. Okay, so like that, just if you want to take the definition of that, you can say that if the seismic weight of any story is more than 150% comparison to the below story, then we say that this story is called mass irregularity. Okay, suppose this story 150 kg, okay, and this is 100 kg. So if the seismic weight of this story is more than 150% compared to the below story, then we say that this story is mass irregularity. Okay, and it is considered as a soft story. Okay, suppose just take, see, this is, okay, this floor is 300 kg seismic weight and this floor is 150 kg. Then because this floor seismic weight is 150% more than comparison to this floor below floor, okay, so this story is called mass irregularity and it will be considered as soft story. Got it? And what code says about, see, code says that if any story that consists of a mass irregularity and like it will be considered as a soft story. So in this case, if that story is located in seismic zone 3, 4 and 5, already know that, you know that there are generally 4 zone. Okay, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4 and zone 5. So already it's given the factor also. Zone factor in the case of second zone factor is how much? That is 0.10. If your building is in zone 3, then zone factor you have to consider 0.16. Like that, this is 0.24 and this is 0.36. Okay, so if any structure that is considered as a mass irregularity, so in this case, if structure is located in zone 3, 4 and 5, so in this case you have to apply the what? So you have to go for the response spectrum analysis method or time history method, means you have to go for the dynamic analysis. Okay, so if any structures that consist of a mass irregularity, so in that structure is located in zone 3, 4 and 5, so in that case you have to consider and analyze that structure as a dynamic analysis, and you have to perform either response spectrum analysis or time history analysis for that structures. Okay, because you cannot go only for the simple like a earthquake, static earthquake analysis only. Okay, because normally structure we generally go for the EX and EY. See, this is your static earthquake analysis, but like this type of structures you have to perform what? So you have to perform response spectrum analysis, response spectrum analysis, or time history analysis. Either one you have to perform. Time history analysis, because these all analysis generally come in dynamic analysis. Time history analysis. Okay, so first, when you start for analyzing of any types of structure, firstly you have to check either your structure is mass irregularity or not. If there is not, then there is no need to perform. But if your structure is mass irregularity, means it generally considered as a soft story. So in that case you have to apply the response spectrum analysis or time history analysis when you go for the analysis of the structure of that particular floor. Okay, so this is the mass irregularity of the structures, but this is generally for IS 1893 2016. According to this code, IS 1893 2016 code says that if seismic weight of any floor is more than 150% compared to the below floor of below story, then we say that this structure is mass irregularity. But when you come to the other code, that is previous code IS 1893, when you come to the previous code, that is IS 1893 2002. So what this code says about mass irregularity? So this code says that if the seismic weight of any story is more than 200%, then compared to the below story, then it is a mass irregularity. See, what is the difference between two code? New code says that only 150%, but previously code says that 200%. According to this code, what happened? Like suppose that this is your structures. Okay, so if this is seismic weight of this floor is 400 kg and this is 200 kg, then we say that this is mass irregularity. Okay, according to this code. But according to new code, what says that only 150%. But means previous code says that if the seismic weight of any floor is more than 200% compared to the below story, then we say that this structure is mass irregularity. But according to the new code, it says that if a seismic weight of any floor is more than 150% compared to the below story, then we say that it is a mass irregularity. So nowadays we generally adopt new code. Okay, so whenever you are going to perform any types of structures, so you have to consider this IS 1893 2016 code. What IS 1893 2016 code says, you have to follow this only. I hope you got it, what is mass irregularity, and if is there any mass irregularity in your structures, then what code says and what are the provision you have to go. There is no any provision, just remember that in that case you have to perform either response spectrum analysis or time history analysis. Okay, so today we discuss about mass irregularity, and next lectures we will come with new topic and we'll discuss. Okay, thank you so much. If you like my channel, so kindly share and subscribe. Thank you so much.